The ear is automatically and functionally divided into three regions. 1. External ear. 2. Middle ear. 3. Inner ear. 1. External ear. The outer external ear consists of 3 layers. 1. Auricle of pinna. 2. External auditory canal or ear canal. 3. Tympanic membrane or eardrum. 2. Middle ear. Middle ear is small, air-filled cavity in the temporal bone that contains of the 3 part. 1. Ossicles. 2. The oval and round windows. 3. The eustachian tube. 3. The inner ear. The inner ear or labyrinth lies in the petrous, part of the temporal bone. The inner ear consists of 2 parts. 1. Bony labyrinth. 2. Membranous labyrinth. 1. Bony labyrinth consists of 3 parts. 1. Cochlea. 2. Vestibule. 3. Semicircular canal. 2. Membranous labyrinth. 1. Spiral duct of the cochlea or scala media. 2. Utricle and saccule. 3. Semicircular ducts.